Hi friends, I'm Kitty.
Woof, I'm Labby.
Labby, my tummy says grrr.
Mine says woof woof, hungry.
Let's make a healthy snack.
Healthy is yummy.
Look, fruits and veggies.
Apple, banana, carrot, broccoli, strawberry.
So many colors.
Colors mean healthy,
Apples help our tummy feel good.
and apples make our teeth strong. Crunch.
Bananas give us energy.
Zoom zoom, power.
Carrots help our eyes see well.
I can see far. Wow.
Broccoli helps us grow big and strong.
I'm growing. Stretch, stretch.
Let's make a fruit and veggie rainbow bowl.
No fire, just wash and cut.
First, apples in pieces.
Plop, plop.
Next, bananas in slices.
Round, round.
Now, strawberries.
Red and yummy.
Carrots in tiny sticks.
Crunch sticks.
Tiny green trees.
Tiny green trees.
Let's mix it all.
Swish, swish.
Wow, a rainbow snack.
Red, yellow, green, orange.
Healthy food is colorful.
It's fun to chew. Kitty cuts apples nice and sweet. Labby adds carrots, crunch, crunch treat. Colors bright in every bite. Healthy food feels so right. Healthy food is good for you. Yum, yum, yum. It's fun to chew. Kitty and Labby shout hooray. Eat healthy snacks every day. Bananas give us lots of power. Broccoli makes us strong each hour. Strawberries juicy, red and fun. Healthy eating's number one. Healthy food is good for you. Yum, yum, yum. It's fun to chew. Kitty and Labby shout hooray. Eat healthy snacks every day. Healthy food is good for you. Yum, yum, yum. It's fun to chew. Kitty and Labby shout hooray. Eat healthy snacks every day. Healthy food is good for you. Yum, yum, yum. It's fun to chew. Kitty and Labby shout hooray. Eat healthy snacks every day.
Mmm, so fresh.
So crunchy.
Healthy food makes me happy.
Healthy food makes me strong.
Fruits help our body feel good.
Veggies help us grow.
Healthy snacks give us energy.
To run, jump, and play.
Let's eat fruits every day.
Let's eat veggies too.
Healthy food is fun.
Kitty and Labby, fun all day.